Hi guys, welcome to today's digital SAT math masterclass. So let's begin with today's problem. The first problem is here right on your screen. Uh, it's from geometry. A line segment AB lies on the Cartesian coordinate plane and has a coordinate endpoints located at -2, 5 and B 6, 11. So what they're asking is are the exact coordinate mapping the center midpoint of the line segment AB, which means what is the coordinates of their midpoint? Simple. So we know for a line segment x1, y1, x2, y2, what we can do is the midpoint of this line segment AB is found by x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2, which corresponds to the abscissa ordinates respectively for the midpoint, let's say C, of this line segment AB. So similarly, we'll be using the same format. -2 plus 6 is 4 by 2, comma 5 plus 11 is 16 by 2. So the coordinates of midpoints are 2, comma 8. Simple. Getting to the next question. Okay, next question is a circle lying on the Cartesian coordinate plane is represented by the expanded equation which is given. What is the total length parameter of the circle radius? Means they're asking for the radius of the circle. Simple. So we will get it into the standard format, which is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equals to r square, where r is the radius of the circle, h comma k is the center coordinates of the circle. So how will we do that? We'll just turn everything into a perfect square format, which is x square minus 8x plus 16 plus y square plus 6y plus 9 is equals to 11 plus 16 plus 9. I'm adding and subtracting the same thing on both the sides. On the right side I have 36, on the left side I have this as x minus 4 whole square, y plus 3 whole square. So now I can say this is a circle with radius 4 comma minus 3, with center 4 comma minus 3 and radius as 6 units. Simple. On comparing with this form with the standard circle form. So this was about these were today's questions. So if you have any doubts, you can comment. If your questions, you can ask your question in the comment section. If you want to schedule a demo for your SAT exams or your curriculum exam, you can reach out to me. Mail ID is given on the channel. Thank you.